Hey guys, it's Vmbuilds here. This is my first video that I'm ever recording, so bear with me. I'm learning as I go. First of all, my kids are sleeping, so it's gonna be a pretty quiet video, which is gonna be hard because today I have two of these Pokérev 6.0 mega bonus packs, mystery packs. These are the ones with the 1 in 1,000 chance of a diamond pack, which is a first edition base set worth $10,000. So that would be amazing. I don't know if I could keep quiet if I pull that, to be honest. But as you know, green is guaranteed. That's Sword and Shield or Scarlet and Violet. Red is XY Sun and Moon. Silver is Black and White. Gold is WotC EX. Diamond and Pearl Platinum. Hard Gold, Soul Silver, Vintage Japanese. Then you also have the 1 in 100 Rainbow packs. And the Throwback pack, 150. So that's 5X and Y Sun and Moon booster packs. So yeah, I hope this turns out good. So wish me luck. Oh. You have a red one. Nice. So first one is a red tier, which I like. Now the pack lineup. You also have these pamphlets with the new packs. It's just a little gimmick. And the glittery sticker. For packs we have Paldea Evolved, Brilliant Stars, Silver Tempest, Crown Zenith, and Stellar Crown. I'm gonna keep Crown Zenith for last. Then Silver Tempest, Brilliant Stars, Stellar Crown, and Paldea Evolved. I do not care for much for Paldea Evolved, to be honest. It's just not really appealing to me. No pack tricks in this. Just like go through it. Yeah. Absolutely nothing. Stellar Crown next. Again, nothing. Yeah, that's always fun. I have one of these, which means no pull. Or it should be the gallery, but nothing. Silver Tempest. Oh yeah, not a great code card. Boy, we're hitting all the luck today. Maybe don't spoil the code card. What is it? 4 from the back? Yeah, something like that. Oh yeah. Panda bear. I'm gonna open the next one. Green teal. So, no diamond pack for me. Let me open this one. Oh, nice. Scarlet and Violet 151. And then we have Paldean Fates, Lost Origin, Silver Tempest, Pokemon Go, and Stellar Crown. So definitely Pokemon Go first, then Stellar Crown. Paldean Fates, Lost Origin, Silver Tempest, and 151. I'm not gonna even bother to do a pack trick. Boop. Put it right there. Oh, dumbass. Scarlet and Violet. No pack trick. Ooh, full art. So yeah, that's a little pull. Nothing too fancy. Paldean Fates. Ooh. So I believe this is a shiny, yeah. Fortress Shiny EX. Yeah. Don't really care for the crown thingies on the heads. I think that's an abomination to all the cool Pokemon. Yeah. Ugh. Bad code card. Just let me go right through it. Yeah, nothing. Alright, Silver Tempest. Can we get some luck out of Silver Tempest? Nope. Not today. Get here, you stupid card. Now, this one. I like this one. This is a good pack. No Evolving Skies though, that's unfortunate. I would love to see that. Black code card. But I think that doesn't mean anything with this set. Might be wrong. Let's see. think it's gonna be a bust. Yeah, it's a cool artwork though, but yeah, it's a dime a dozen. So now, the main attraction. I wonder what's in here. Could it be X and Y, Sun and Moon maybe? Let's find out. Hidden Fates would be nice. What is this? Ooh! Fates collide. What year is this from? 2016? Yeah, 2016. Look at that. Oh, let me get in focus. Come on. Yeah, doesn't do it. I would love to leave this sealed, but gotta take some risks, right? Ooh, this pack is just disintegrating. Look at that. Look at this. There you go. And then 3 from the back? Yeah, X and Y is 3 from the back. Wish me luck, guys. Made this save the day. Bronze on reverse. That's a rare, so that's unfortunate. Which will probably mean there's no pull behind this card. Let's find out. Yeah. That's even... God damn. Well, win some, you lose some. Cool reverse though. Like this. I like the texture on these cards. No. Got a lot of glare in there. Yeah, that's nice. So yeah, not too much pulls. We got one full art, which I do not care for much. One Dragonite V, which is also, yeah, basic. And then this full art shiny, which I guess is a pretty good pull. It's just a bummer that I do not care for the artwork. I do not like this or the design of the Pokemon they're doing right now. Yeah, it does not spark my interest, especially with the new set, with the evolutions. They got all these big crowns on their heads, and then yeah, I just don't get it. But you know, people seem to enjoy it. So anyway, guys, if you like this, like and subscribe, and I can keep doing this. I have more packs to come, so if you like it, let me know. Cheers.